What's going on, and welcome back to Knife Life EDC. Gonna do a real quick video. I actually already have everything opened on this because I actually already did the video and it was hot garbage and I wanted to redo it. But if my voice sounds a little weird, I'm kind of coming off being sick, so I'm better. My voice just hasn't quite come all the way back yet. But let's get into it real quick. Let's make this quick. Obviously when I ordered this, it came with this bracelet. Not really into bracelets. I'll probably just give it to my kiddo. She likes to wear bracelets and that type of stuff. So, but obviously, if you like bracelets, it'll come with it hopefully. But let's get right into the utility knife. The handle is G10, and also the blade is SK2. The weight is 46.7 grams or 1.65 ounces. I think that's all that information on there. It also came with some instructions for you. Obviously, you don't want to go without those. And it came with another little thing right there. I think that's what it's for. I haven't opened it up yet, but I'm just assuming that's what it's for because that's what it kind of looked like. But so it came with that just in case, I guess. One cool thing I liked about this thing was this thing right here. It's got like a little locking mechanism, which I thought was a good idea because obviously you don't want it to accidentally put it in your pocket and accidentally have the blade come out, and then you're cutting up your pants, or obviously the worst case is cutting up your leg or your hand. This would not be a good day for anyone, right? But so I thought that was really cool that they had that. So we'll turn it and we'll open it. One thing I didn't kind of like that I kind of found out was I didn't like the bottle opener. I feel like this was actually only $15. So you kind of get what you pay for. It's only 15. It's not a whole lot. I kind of bought it just because of the design, the sprinkle design, or the donut design, I think they call it. Olight's coming out with a lot of the donut stuff. Like this right here, the i3T EOS. They show you the name of that right there. So they're coming out more of the sprinkle stuff, or the Dessert Warrior. I think each brand or company comes up with a different name for it. I think Olight says donut. But they also came out with a pen too, like I think it's called the O pen. I'm not quite sure about that. I almost bought it too, but it was $60, and I was like, I already bought a pen like a week ago. That was expensive, so I was like, I'll just pass on that for today. But I might eventually get it because it did have a laser and a light, and obviously the ink, it's a pen, so obviously you need ink. So it's obviously a pen, so it's kind of like a 3-in-1 that I know of. That's the only features that I know of. But it did have like a little base that you put the pin into and it charges it, so it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. I just didn't get it. But so Olight is coming out with new stuff like that, and they're trying to do new things and everything, which is pretty cool. I like that about them. But yeah, the bottle opener, I wasn't a real big fan about that. I felt like that design of it, like, what do you use a bottle opener for anymore? Unless it was just like a feature thing, just like a quick convenience, I guess, factor, just to put it right there and you have it there if you want it. That's all I can kind of think of, because who really uses one? Like, I know maybe for beer every now and then, but I don't even know about beer because most of them are twist offs now, or you can get a can or something like that. I haven't really drank in about a year, so I really don't have a clue. But another thing I'm unsure about is this little thing right here. It almost looks like a pry bar or a flathead screwdriver. I haven't decided yet, but either or, I feel like it's probably be a better flathead screwdriver. Because I don't think you could really do a lot of prying on that. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. I'm not quite sure. I wouldn't really know. But I did kind of like the bit holder. The only thing is with the bit holder, let me show you. Now, I've seen other things like with this type of bit holder, like where they have like wide open. Obviously, your bit goes all the way through. And I don't know if you're supposed to like maybe put your thumb on it like that and just hold it there somehow, then bring your like knife right here, and then you could try to twist it off and unscrew it, tighten it, loosen it, whatever you need to. So I guess for $15, they're not really going to add a whole lot of features to it. So I don't know if that was maybe something not thought out, or maybe it was just something, obviously, for $15, you're not going to be able to afford much more than that, which I would understand. Like I said, it's $15, You're not going to get a $100 multi-tool out of $15, obviously, Especially when this is just really just a collector thing for me. I'm pretty much just using this to collect it, just because I like the design, the sprinkle donut, Dessert Warrior, whatever you call it. I'm just going to stick with the sprinkles. But another thing I wanted to show you guys, I really don't know about the blades, because obviously this is a regular utility knife blade. And obviously you see those little U shapes right there, where they obviously it goes into my Milwaukee Fastback. Another thing that has a bottle opener, but but this has little holes in it. So I was really curious about that. How do you get new blades for this? I don't know if they have them on set for sale, like maybe on the Olight website or OK not. Is it O Knife or Olight? Olight or O Knife? So it's something I'm going to look into, because I would think you'd have to have certain blades for this, which absolutely really sucks, because I have so many of these blades, because I use these type of utility knives every day while I'm at work and stuff like that. So this was kind of like just something I bought just to throw in my pocket if I wanted to, just because it's obviously quite a bit smaller. But the only thing I didn't like is I don't know if I can use these blades in this, which I don't think I can from the way it looks. So that was another, I guess, disadvantage for this. So it makes me not even really, I'm probably not going to really even use this hardly ever, just because of that. Because if I ding up that blade, get it all dull and taped up from boxes or whatever, you can use it once. Like, you can use this side of the blade, obviously, and then you can unscrew it all and whatever, and then switch it out to this side over here. But then after that, like, you'd have to go buy new blades, like probably certain blades. So I thought that was kind of like a feature I didn't really care for. I don't like that. I feel like that was not thought out, unless it was. Again, like I said, $15. You get what you get. But that's all I kind of have on it. Yes, I paid $15, and I'll keep it because I'm a collector of them. But I would not, if it was any other color, like if the sprinkles wasn't on it, I would never ever buy this ever. So yeah, that's kind of like my opinion on it. If you don't have anything on that you would really use, I would say pass on it. But if you're like me and you like the sprinkles design, go ahead and pick it up. It ain't gonna hurt you. It's $15. But yeah, that's all I kind of got on it. If you liked the video, just give it a thumbs up. If you have anything else to say about it, or you found something that you didn't like about it, and I didn't say anything about it, just let me know down in the comment section. And that's all I got for you.